Welcome you all to this lecture series on problem solving using Python programming. This is M. Anbalagan. Through this video lecture, I am going to solve the problem capitalizing each word in a given line of text or in a given string. Let me now magnify my screen. So the idea that I am going to apply here for solving this problem is there is a built-in function available in Python's library called split function. The function split will be working as follows. Given a string variable called string1 which is equal to, supposing the string I am entering here is hello, how are you. If this is going to be my string, now I can use the function called split for splitting the given line of text or the given string into its constituents called the words, and that will be returned as a list by the function by the method split. It is not a function, it is a method. So the list is going to be list1. List1 is equal to the name of my string variable is string1 dot split. And the most important thing here is how will we split the given string? What is the delimiter we will use for splitting the string? The default delimiter for separating or for dividing the string into multiple words is white space. If we wish, we can also specify the delimiter of our interest, maybe a comma we can give, or from a paragraph if we want to divide it into different sentences, we will give full stop as a delimiter, but it is up to us. Let me now print list1. We will see in list1 we have the different constituents of this given string. Hello, comma, it is considered to be one single word because between this and the following word how, there is a delimiter white space existing here. That is why it is treated as one single word. How is treated as another word. R is treated as the next word, and finally U question mark is used as the last word, is treated as the last word in the given string. So this is the idea that I am going to use. And also, the problem here is to capitalize each word, right? So splitting the given string into words can be carried out through the method called the split method. To capitalize the first letter of each of the words, we will have to use the method called the capitalize method. That method is available in Python's library. So that is how we are going to approach this problem. The string variable that I am going to use here is string. So string is equal to input of enter the string or enter your text. Maybe I can say this as enter your text. So enter your text. The text will be accepted here from the standard input device called the keyboard. Now after we accept this string, what is to be done here is we will have to iterate through the words available in the string, and in order to get those words, what we need to do here is we will have to use the method split, and I'm using list1 here for storing the list of words available in the given string. So list1 is equal to the name of the string variable is string dot split of, that's all. Now the list will be consisting of the list name, the list1 will be consisting of the words available in the given string. So it is done. Now we will have to iterate through the list elements by using a for loop. For an element E in list1, what do I have to do here is, maybe I can have a string variable, the resultant string variable here, or string is equal to an empty string. So here what will I do here is our string R string is equal to, it should be R string plus, we need to capitalize, right? So it must be E dot capitalize, E dot capitalize. So for each word that is stored in the given list 1, the first letter alone will be turned to be a capital letter because we are using the method capitalize here. And finally, the operation is successfully done, conversion from and uppercase to, conversion from the capitalizing of each word, the first letter of the each word is successfully done. In addition to that, what is required here is, if we keep on concatenating the capitalized words in the given list, we will not find any white space between two successive words. In order to have a white space between two successive words, we will have to manually add this white space or blank space. The concatenation of that should be done here. So, and finally, we can print it here, print of R string. That's all. So the input string is accepted here, and from this input string, what we do is we are splitting it into different words, and the words will be stored in the given list called list 1, and we are introducing a string variable called R string, which is going to have an empty string in the initial stage. Then with the help of a for loop, we are navigating through, or we are iterating through the words that are stored in list 1. And for each of the word, what we do here is we are going to store it in a string variable by making sure that the first letter of the string is capitalized. And also we are adding a white space, that is for the purpose of keeping a white space between two different words. Let me now give a try on executing this code. It is asking me to enter a text, so I am entering hello, how are you. Now we can see it here, the string that we entered, it is in the lowercase. Now after this input will be processed by our program, the first letter of each of these words is now changed to capital letters. Hello, how are you. That's all. So this way we can approach this problem. Let me now finish this lecture at this point of time. So if you are interested in getting more and more programming explanations or more and more problem solving videos like this, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel Computer Engineering Made Easier, and you can also press the bell icon for getting the notifications of the videos I am going to upload in the nearby future. Thanks for watching this video.